असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Namaste, my dear students, my dear friends, and my YouTube channel subscribers. This is Viplava Reddy, Maths faculty for intermediate students. మీకు నా వీడియోస్ నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. Now I am going to explain some very useful problems for your IP examination. Today my topic is straight lines. Straight lines. This is third chapter in Maths 1B. For IP examination, weightage from straight lines: 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ, 2 VSAQs. Total 15 marks from straight lines chapter, IP standard, IP examination. Now I am going to explain some problems on CircumCenter and OrthoCenter problems. From LAQs, CircumCenter, OrthoCenter problems are very important. First of all, CircumCenter. CircumCenter. Yes. What is the CircumCenter? The perpendicular bisectors. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. We know this. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are always concurrent. The point of concurrency. The point of concurrency is called the circumcenter. It is represented by capital S. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are always concurrent. That means, for example, this is the triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. The perpendicular bisectors. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisectors? The line passing through the midpoint of given line segment and perpendicular to that line segment. That line is called perpendicular bisector. Passing through the midpoint of the line segment and perpendicular to the line segment. That line is called perpendicular bisector. This is the one perpendicular bisector. This is one perpendicular bisector of side AC. Here this is the perpendicular bisector of side AB. These three perpendicular bisectors are always concurrent, means passing through one particular point. The point of concurrency is called the circumcenter. Okay. This is the first main definition. Second one, circumcenter is nothing but it is the center of the circumcircle. It is the center of the circumcircle. What is the circumcircle? Circumcircle is nothing but the circle passing through the vertices of the given triangle. The circle passing through the vertices of the given triangle is called the circumcircle. Every circle has center. So, center of the circumcircle is nothing but circumcenter. The center of the circumcircle is called the circumcenter. This is the circumcenter. Here A, B, C are three vertices of the triangle, as well as three vertices of triangle all are lies on the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. So distance from center to circumference of the circle is equal to radius. This is the circumcircle. Radius of the circumcircle is nothing but circumradius. This is also circumradius. This is also circumradius. From the diagram, S is the circumcenter, circle is the circumcircle, center is the circumcenter. Distance from S to A, distance from S to B, distance from S to C, all are circumradius. From the diagram, we get one condition, that is SA equal to SB equal to SC. This is the third definition of the circumcenter. In any triangle, circumcenter is always equidistant from the three vertices of the triangle. Circumcenter always equidistant from three vertices of the triangle. This is a condition. By using these three conditions, we can find out the circumcenter if you know the three vertices. If you know the three vertices, we can find out the circumcenter by using these three definitions. First definition, by using second definition, by using third definition. By using first definition, what is the first definition? The perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle are congruent. Means if you know the two equations of the perpendicular bisectors, we can find out the circumcenter. Solving any two perpendicular bisectors, we get the circumcenter. Now by using second condition, what is the second condition? Circumcenter is the center of the circumcircle. First of all, by using three vertices, find out the equation of the circle. After finding the equation of the circle, find out the center of the circumcircle. Center of the circumcircle is nothing but circumcenter. Now third condition. By using third condition, what is the third condition? SA equal to SB equal to SC. In this condition, there are three equations. One is SA is equal to SB, and SB is equal to SC, and SA is equal to SC. By using any two equations, we get two perpendicular bisectors. By solving perpendicular bisectors, we get the circumcenter. This is the definitions for circumcenter. By using these definitions, we can find out the circumcenter if you know the three vertices or if you know the three equations of the sides of a triangle. Okay? Next. Now orthocenter. What is the orthocenter? How to find out the orthocenter if you know the three vertices or if you know the three equations of the sides? First of all, definition of the orthocenter. Orthocenter. In any triangle, the altitudes are always concurrent. The altitudes are always concurrent. In any triangle, the altitudes are concurrent. The point of concurrency is called the orthocenter. It is represented by capital O. What is the altitude? For example, here ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Draw one perpendicular line from vertex A to its opposite side. Draw one perpendicular line from vertex A to its opposite side BC. This line segment is called AD is called the altitude. Similarly, draw one perpendicular line from vertex B to its opposite side AC. This BE is called the second altitude or altitude passing through B. Similarly, draw one perpendicular line from vertex C to its opposite side. This is the third altitude. In any triangle, altitudes are concurrent. Concurrent means meeting at a particular point or passing a particular point. That point is called the orthocenter. Point of concurrency nothing but ortho center. From the diagram, here AD and BE and CF are altitudes. Altitudes means always perpendicular to its opposite side. Means AD is perpendicular to BC and BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. These three are altitudes. How to find out orthocenter? Orthocenter is nothing but the point of intersection of any two altitudes. If you know the equations of the any two altitudes, we can find out the orthocenter. Solving any two altitudes, we get the orthocenter. This is the first method. First of all, find out the equations of the altitude AD and B, any two. AD, find out the equation of AD. After finding the equation of AD, find the equation of B. After getting two equations, just solve the equation of AD and equation of B. We get the common point, intersection point of AD, B is nothing but orthocenter. That is the first method. Second method also find out the any two equations by using shortcut formula. That formula is, for example, equation of altitude AD. What is the formula? X minus x1 into x2 minus x3 plus y minus y1 into y2 minus y3 equal to 0. By using this formula, we can get AD equation directly. Similarly, equation of altitude BE. That is x minus x2 into x3 minus x1 plus y minus y2 into y3 minus y1 equal to 0. By using this formula, we can find out the equation of the altitude BE directly. After finding the equation of first altitude, equation of second altitude, just solving these two equations, we get the orthocenter. This is the second method. Third method, from diagram, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC means AO also perpendicular to BC. AO also perpendicular to BC means, for example, OX, Y is the orthocenter. AO is perpendicular to BC means AO line segment, BC line segment both are perpendicular means product of their slopes is equal to -1. Product of their slopes is equal to -1 means slope of AO into slope of BC is equal to -1. By simplifying this condition, we get one equation in terms of x and y. Similarly, BE, second altitude BE also perpendicular to its opposite side. So BE is perpendicular to AC means BO also perpendicular to AC. Means these two line segments are perpendicular means slope of BO into slope of AC. Slope of AC is equal to how much? -1 because these both are perpendicular. By simplifying this condition, we get one more equation in terms of x and y. Solving these two equations, we get x comma y value. X comma y is nothing but orthocenter. So by using these three methods, we can find out the orthocenter if you know the three vertices of a triangle or three equations of the triangle. This is the first method. This is the second method. This is the third method. Okay. By using these three methods, we can find out the orthocenter when they given three vertices or three equations. Okay. Right. First problem on circumcenter by using first method. Okay. Given question is Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and 5, minus 1. Let A 1, 3, B minus 3, 5 and C 5, minus 1 are 3 vertices of the triangle. And let S of x, y be the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Here ABC is a triangle and S is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. We know that circumcenter always equidistant from 3 vertices of the triangle. That means SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. In this condition, there are 3 equations. First one is SA is equal to SB, and second one is SB is equal to SC, and third one is SA is equal to SC. What we get when we expand SA is equal to SB? If we expand SA is equal to SB, we get the perpendicular bisector of side AB. If we expand SB is equal to SC, we get the perpendicular bisector of side BC. SA is equal to SB, we get the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Perpendicular bisector of side AB. If we expand SB is equal to SC, we get the perpendicular bisector of side BC. What is the meaning of circumcenter? Definition of the circumcenter: the point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisectors of the sides. The point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisectors. Now find out the equation of the perpendicular bisector of side AB and side BC or side AC. For that, take any one equation. Here SA is equal to SB. Take first SA is equal to SB. SA is nothing but distance between S and A. SB is nothing but distance between S and B. We know that the distance between any 2 points. Distance between 2 points formula. What is the formula? Under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. y1 minus y2 whole square, or x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Both are correct. Now apply this formula. SA, S is the first point, A is the second point. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Apply formula. Under root of x1 minus x2, that is x minus 1 whole square, plus y1 minus y2, that is y minus 3 whole square, is equal to under root of SB. S is the first point, B is the second point. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now apply same formula. X minus x1 minus x2, x minus of minus 3, that is plus 3 whole square, plus y1 minus y2, that is y minus y2 value how much? 5, y minus 5 whole square. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Roots get cancelled. Remaining terms. Here x minus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, here x plus 3 whole square, y minus 5 whole square. A minus b whole square and a plus b whole square form. Now apply a minus b whole square formula. X minus 1 whole square is nothing but x square minus 2x plus 1. Here y minus 3 whole square, y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to, here also, x plus 3 whole square, x square plus 6x plus 9. Here y minus 5 whole square, a minus b whole square formula, y square minus 10y plus 25. Now from left side and right side, x square terms get cancelled, y square terms also get cancelled, and here plus 9, here also plus 9 get cancelled. Okay, what are the remaining terms? Here plus 6x, take left side, we get minus 6x, here minus 2x, here minus 6x, that equal to minus 8x. Here minus 6y, take minus 10y left side, we get the 10 plus 10y, minus 6y plus 10y, that is equal to plus 4y. What are the remaining terms? Here plus 1, here plus 25, take left side, minus 25, 1 minus 25, that is equal to minus 24 equal to 0. From these terms, take minus 4 common, Here 2x left, here minus y left, here plus 6 left. So from this, we get 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation 1. This equation represents the perpendicular bisector of side AB, because we use here SA is equal to SB. We are expanding here SA is equal to SB. We get the equation 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This equation represents the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Now expand the second condition, second equation. The second part is SB is equal to SC or SA is equal to SC. Take any one equation. I take SB is equal to SC. If we expand SB is equal to SC, we get the perpendicular bisector of side BC. Now apply same formula, distance between 2 points formula. Here SC is the first point, B is the second point. SC is the first point, B is the second point. Apply same formula, x minus of minus 3, that is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 5. y1 minus y2, y minus 5 whole square, that equal to under root of SC. SC is the first point, C is the second point. X minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Now squaring on both sides, roots get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? Here x plus 3 whole square, y minus 5 whole square, x minus 5 whole square, y plus 1 whole square. Apply a minus b whole square formula and a plus b whole square formula. Here x plus 3 whole square, that is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Y minus 5 whole square, y square minus 10y plus 25, that equal to x minus 5 whole square, x square minus 10x plus 25 plus here y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 2y plus 1. From left side and right side, x square terms get cancelled, y square terms also get cancelled. Here plus 25 also get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? Here 6x, here minus 10x. Minus 10x take left side. 6x plus 10x, that is equal to 16x. Here minus 10y, here plus 2y. Plus 2y take left side, minus 2y. Minus 10y, minus 2y, minus 12y. And remaining terms here 9, here plus 1, take left side, minus 1. 9 minus 1, we get plus 8 equal to 0. From these terms, take 4 common. Take 4. What are the remaining terms left? Here 4x, here minus 3y, here plus 2 equal to 0. From these, 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the second equation. This equation is nothing but the perpendicular bisector of side BC. Here we used SB is equal to SC. If we expand SB is equal to SC, we get the perpendicular bisector of BC. If we expand SA is equal to SB, we get the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Circumcenter is nothing but point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisectors. Point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisector. No need to find out the third perpendicular bisector. Big time waste. Okay. Next, Now solve equation 1 and 2. What is the first equation? First equation. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 by using CMM method or YCXY method. What is the CMM method? YCX method, CMM method, both are same. Starting with Y coefficient and ending with Y coefficient. YCXY method. YCXY. Starting with Y coefficient, that is -1. Next constant term is +6. Next x coefficient is 2. Again Y coefficient. In second equation, starting with Y and ending with Y coefficient. YCXY. Starting with Y coefficient and constant term and x coefficient. Again Y coefficient, that is -3. Now apply this formula. Now these four elements consider as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. In matrices, how to find out determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? Same process. If A, B, C, D is a 2 by 2 matrix, how to find out the det? AD minus BC. A, B, C, D. Now AD minus BC concept. So x by AD, A into D minus 2 minus -3 into 6 minus 18. AD minus BC concept apply. Here y by same AD minus BC. 6 into 4 24 minus 2 into 2 4. That equal to 1 by here also AD minus BC concept. -6 minus of minus plus 4. That implies x by -2 minus of minus plus 18. So -2 plus 18 equal to plus 16 equal to y by 24 minus 4 equal to 20. That equal to 1 by -2. Now equate first term and third term and second term and third term. Equate first and third, second and third. We get x and y values. So x by 16 equal to 1 by -2 and y by 20. Y by 20 equal to 1 by -2. Now from these, x is equal to 16 by -2. That is equal to -8. Y is equal to 20 by -2. That is equal to -10. So x value is -8. Y value -10. What is x comma y? X comma y is nothing but circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Therefore circumcenter x comma y is equal to -8 comma -10. This is the circumcenter of the given triangle ABC. This is the first method. In first method, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC condition are used. Okay. Now second problem on circumcenter by using second method. Given problem is find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are -2 comma 3, 2 comma -1 and 4 comma 0. Let's consider A -2 comma 3, B 2 comma -1 and C 4 comma 0 are the three vertices of triangle. And let S of x comma y be the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Here ABC is a triangle and S is the circumcenter. ABC is a triangle and S is the circumcenter. What is the definition of circumcenter? The point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisectors. In this problem, we are going to find out equations of the perpendicular bisectors of any two sides. This line is the perpendicular bisector of side AB, and this line is the perpendicular bisector of side BC. The point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisectors of sides is nothing but circumcenter. Now first of all find out the first perpendicular bisector and second perpendicular bisector by using second method. Okay. First one, equation of the perpendicular bisector of side AB. First of all, we have to find out the perpendicular bisector of side AB by using one formula. Okay, this is the second method. That is in the previous problem we apply SA is equal to SB is equal to SC condition. In this we are going to apply one shortcut formula. Okay, equation of the perpendicular bisector of side AB is 2x minus x1 minus x2 of x1 minus x2 plus 2y minus y1 minus y2 of y1 minus y2 equal to 0. By using this formula, we get the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Next, similarly, perpendicular bisector of side BC. Now apply formula. First point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, third point is x3 y3. 2x minus x1 minus x2, x1 value minus 2, minus of minus 2 means plus 2, minus x2 value is 2 of minus 2 minus 2, x1 value x2 value put here, plus 2y minus y1 value is plus 3, minus y2 value is minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 of y1 3 minus of minus plus 1, y2 value is minus 1 equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. 2x plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled into minus 4 plus 2y minus 3 plus 1 that equal to minus 2 into plus 4 is equal to 0. From these two terms take minus 4 common or plus 4 common. Take minus 4 common. What are the remaining terms? Here plus 2x and minus common. So plus changes to minus. Minus into 2y minus 2y minus into minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. From this we get 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Again take 2 common. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0 left. This is the first equation. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of side AB. This equation, how to get this equation? By using perpendicular bisector formula. Okay. Next, second one. Now find out the second equation. Second perpendicular bisector of side BC. Equation of perpendicular bisector of side BC. Second equation. Same formula. In the place of x1 x2 replace x2 and x3. In the place of y1 y2 replace y2 and y3, because here B is the second point, C is the third point. Here A is the first point, B is the second point. First point, second point. That way x1, y1, x2, y2. Here second point, third point. So formula becomes like this. 2x minus x2 minus x3 of x2 minus x3 plus 2y minus y2 minus y3 of y2 minus y3 is equal to 0. Now apply formula. 2x minus x2 minus x3. x2 value 2 minus x3 value 4 into 2 minus 4 plus 2y minus y2 value. y2 how much here? Minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 minus y3 value 0 into minus 1 plus 0. Sorry. minus 1 minus 0 equal to 0. Now apply, simplify this one. 2x minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 2y plus 1 into minus 1. Now multiply inside each and every term. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4x minus of minus plus 12 minus 2y minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. From this minus 4x minus 2y plus 11 equal to 0. Now take minus common. 4x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the second equation. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of side BC. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of side AB. How to find out circumcenter means circumcenter is nothing but point of intersection of any two perpendicular bisectors. We get first equation, second equation. Now solve these two equations by using YCXY method or elimination method. Solve equation 1 and 2. What is the first equation? Here YCXY method. Apply YCXY method. Starting with y coefficient and ending with y coefficient. YCXY. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient again y coefficient. In the second equation, y coefficient constant, x coefficient again y coefficient. This is the YCXY method. Now apply x by AD minus BC. 1 in minus 1 into minus 11 plus 11 minus 2, okay, is equal to y by AD minus BC. Here also 4 minus of minus plus 11 is equal to 1 by, here also AD minus BC concept, 2 minus of minus plus 4. From this x by 11 minus 2, 9 equal to y by 15 equal to 1 by 6. Now equate the first term and third term and second term and third term. Equating the first and third, second and third, we get the x value and y value. So x by 9 equal to 1 by 6 and y by 15 equal to 1 by 6. From this x is equal to 9 by 6, that is equal to 3 by 2. Y is equal to 15 by 6, nothing but 5 by 2. So therefore x comma y is nothing but circumcenter. X comma y is nothing but circumcenter of the triangle ABC. So 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2 is the circumcenter of given three vertices of a triangle. Okay. This is the second method. In the previous problem we applied first method, that is SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Here we applied one formula. This is the first equation. This is for second equation. Okay. Third problem on circumcenter. If you know the equations of the sides of a triangle by using first method. Okay. By using first method is a very easy. First method only easy compared to second method. Given problem is find the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are given by x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, 5x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Here three sides are given. In previous problem, three vertices are given. In this problem, three sides are given. If you know three vertices, we can find out the circumcenter by using SA is equal to SB is equal to SC or by using equations of the perpendicular bisectors. Second method. Okay. Now find out the vertices of the triangle. Let x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the first equation. 5x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the second equation. And x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 is the third equation. Here three sides are given. For example, this is A, B, C is a triangle This is the first side, this is the second side, this is the third side. 3 sides are given. In that case, you have to find out the vertices of the triangle. First of all, you have to find out the vertices of the triangle. After finding the vertices, after getting the vertices, find out the circumcenter by using SA equal to SB is equal to SC condition. First of all, solving pairwise, solve the equation 1 and 2 and equation 2 and 3 and equation 1 and 3. We get the A, B, C. Solve equation 1 and 2, we get the A vertex. Solve 2 and 3, we get the B vertex. Solve 3 and 1, we get the C vertex. First of all, find out the vertices of the triangle. Now solve equation 1 and 2 by using YCXY method, nothing but CMM method. X, Y, 1. Equation 1 and 2, in the equation 1 and 2 only. Starting with Y coefficient and ending with Y coefficient. Y coefficient, plus 1. Y coefficient, constant and X coefficient, again Y coefficient. In the second equation, Y coefficient, constant and X coefficient, again Y coefficient. Apply formula X by AD minus BC concept. 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into plus 2, minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2 only. Is equal to Y by, here also AD minus BC concept. 10 minus of minus plus 2. Minus of minus 2, that is called plus 2. Now 1 by, here also AD minus BC concept. Minus 1 minus 5. Now simplify. X by 0 equal to Y by 12 is equal to 1 by minus 6. That implies equating the first term and third term. We get x is equal to 0 by minus 6. 0 by find it 0. Y equal to 12 by minus 6, that equal to minus 2. Therefore, here x comma y is 0 comma minus 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get 1 point. Let's assume that this point is vertex A. Next, solve equation 2, 3. Solve equation 2 and 3, we get the vertex B. Solve equation 2 and 3. Same YCXY method. X, Y, 1. X by Y by 1 by something else call it. Apply YCXY method. X, Y, 1. In the equation 2 and 3, starting with Y coefficient and ending with Y coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, X coefficient, again Y coefficient. Next, the third equation, starting with Y coefficient, minus 2, constant and X coefficient, again Y coefficient. Now apply X by AD minus BC. 1 into 5, minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. Already here minus is there, so minus 4 equal to Y by AD minus BC. Minus 2 minus 25 equal to 1 by, here also AD minus BC. Minus 10 minus of minus plus 1. That implies X by minus 9 equal to Y by minus 27 equal to 1 by minus 9. Now equating the first term and third term, second term and third term, we get the x values. X is equal to minus 9 by minus 9, that is called plus 1. Y is equal to minus 27 by minus 9, that is equal to plus 3. Here we get x value is equal to 1, y value is 3. Solving equation 2 and 3, we get the vertex B, second point, nothing but second vertex B. Let us assume that the second point is second vertex. Now solve equation 1 and 3 or 3 or 1. Solve equation 1 and 3. Same method, YCXY method, YCXY method. Equation 1 and equation 3. In equation 1, y coefficient 1, constant term 2, x coefficient 1 and again y coefficient 1, sorry plus 1 here. Next, in the equation, third equation, y coefficient minus 2, x coefficient plus 5, and constant term is plus 5, x coefficient is 1, again y coefficient minus 2. Now simplify this one, x by 1 into 5 minus 2 into 2 means minus 4, minus or minus means plus 4 is equal to y by AD minus BC, 2 minus 5, 1 by minus 2 minus 1. From this, x by 9 equal to y by minus 3 equal to 1 by minus 3. Now equating the first and third term, second and third term, we get x value and y value. 3 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 by minus 3, that is equal to plus 1. We get the minus 3 comma plus 1. This is the third vertex, nothing but C. After getting A, B, C, vertices, we know that how to find out the circumcenter. If you know the 3 vertices already, we learned in equation in the problem, first problem and second problem. By using SA is equal to SB is equal to SC condition, we can find out the circumcenter. If you know the 3 vertices, you can do this, okay? You can do this problem, okay? Now, first problem on OrthoCentre by using first method. There are 3 methods total. Here, first method. Given problem is find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 5 comma minus 7, 13 comma 2 and minus 5 comma 6. Let assume A minus 5 comma minus 7, B 13 comma 2 and C minus 5 comma 6 are 3 vertices of the triangle. Let O x comma y be the orthocenter of triangle ABC. What is the definition of orthocenter? The point of concurrency of altitudes. For example, ABC is a triangle. Draw one perpendicular line from vertex A to opposite side. That line is called altitude passing through A. Similarly, draw one perpendicular line from B to opposite side. That is also altitude from vertex B. And draw one perpendicular line from vertex C to side AB. This is the third altitude. Orthocenter is nothing but the point of concurrency of altitudes. In any triangle, altitudes are always concurrent at one point. Okay. Now you have to find out the equation of any two altitudes. If you know the equations of the two altitudes, we get the orthocenter. Nothing but orthocenter is nothing but point of intersection of any two altitudes. First one, equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude passing through vertex A. You have to find out the any two altitudes. The formula is x minus x1 of x2 minus x3 plus y minus y1 of y2 minus y3 equal to 0. By using this formula, we can find out the equation of the altitude passing through the vertex A. If you know the any two vertices, any two altitudes, we can find out the orthocenter. Okay. Now apply this formula. First point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, and third point is x3 y3. Apply formula. Put the proper values. X minus x1, that is minus 5, into x2 minus x3, x2 minus x3. 13 minus of minus plus 5 plus y minus y1 minus 7 minus of minus plus 7 y2 minus y1 2 minus 6 equal to 0. Now simplify this one. X plus 5 into 18 plus y plus 7 into minus 4 equal to 0. That implies 18 into 5. 18 into 5, how much? 18x plus 18 into 5, that is equal to 90, minus 4y minus 28 equal to 0. Now 18x minus 4y 90 minus 28. 90 minus 28 equal to how much? Plus 90 minus 28, how much? Plus 62 is equal to 0. Now dividing by 2. 9x minus 2y plus 31 equal to 0. This is the equation 1. This is the equation of the altitude passing through the vertex A. Next, second one. Equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude passing through vertex B. Same formula. In the place of x1, x2, x3, same or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here apply 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Formula is like this. X minus x2 of, after 2, x3 minus x1 plus y minus y2 of y3 minus y1 equal to 0. In the first problem, x 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here in the second problem, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Sequence, pattern. Remember the pattern, okay? Now apply this formula. X minus x2 value 13 into x3 minus 5 minus x1 value minus 5 minus of minus plus 5 plus y minus y2 value 2 y3 value 6 minus y1 value minus of minus plus 7 equal to 0. From this, x minus 13 into plus 5 minus 5 0 plus y minus 2 into 13 is equal to 0. Here 0 into 5 is 0. Here y minus 2 equal to 0. From this, y equal to 2. This is the second equation. No need to apply YCXY method, elimination method. Just already we get the y value, perfect y value, we get the y value 2. Put y is equal to 2. Put y is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get x value. In the place of y, replace 2. So 9x minus 2 into y value plus 31 equal to 0. Replace the y value in equation 2. 9x minus 4 plus 31. Minus 4 plus 31. How much? Plus 27 plus 27 equal to 0. From this, 9x is equal to minus 27. X is equal to minus 3. Therefore, OrthoCentre x comma y is equal to how much? Minus 3 comma 2. This is the OrthoCentre of given triangle. By using the first method. Remember these two formulas. This one and this one. This is the equation of the first altitude. This is the equation of the second altitude. Okay. Now second problem on OrthoCentre by using second method. Given problem is find the OrthoCentre of the triangle whose vertices are 5 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. Let's assume capital A 5 comma minus 2 and B minus 1 comma 2 and C 1 comma 4 are 3 vertices of the triangle. And let O x comma y be the orthocenter of triangle ABC. What is the definition of orthocenter? Orthocenter is nothing but point of intersection of any two altitudes. Here A, B, C is a triangle. Draw one perpendicular line from A to opposite side. This is the altitude. First AD is the altitude. Draw one more perpendicular line from B to opposite side. BE is the second altitude. The point of intersection of any two altitudes is orthocenter. The point of intersection of any two altitudes is orthocenter. In this problem, in this method, we have to find out the equations of AD and BE. First, find the equation of AD. To find the equation of altitude AD. First of all, find out the equation of the altitude AD. How to find out equation of AD? Already, how to find out the straight line equation? If you know the one point and one slope, we can find out the equation of any straight line. Here AD is nothing but AD also one of the straight line. Okay. First of all, find out the slope of BC. Why? Because here AD is perpendicular to BC. If any two lines perpendicular, what is the condition? Product of the slopes equal to -1. So by using that condition, we can find out the slope of AD. First of all, find out the slope of BC. Slope of BC is m1. By using formula, if you know what is the slope formula, by using two vertices, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By using this formula, we can find out the slope of BC. Here BC, B and C, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 4 minus of minus 1. Sorry, 4 minus 2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means plus 1. Slope of BC, we get slope of BC plus 1. Here AD is altitude. AD always perpendicular to opposite side. Altitude is always perpendicular to opposite side. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, that implies slope of AD is equal to -1 by slope of BC. Slope of BC. Nothing but m1. That is equal to -1 by 1. That is equal to -1. Slope of AD is -1. Therefore, equation of AD. Equation of AD. AD is nothing but it is a straight line. What is the equation of the straight line? By using slope and point. By using slope and point. Slope point form. Slope point form of a straight line. Nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. By using this formula, we can find out the equation of AD. Y minus y1. What is the x1, y1? On AD line segment, on altitude, we know that vertex A, we don't know D value. We don't know D value. We know the A value only. Okay. By using A and by using slope. This is the slope value. This is the vertex point and slope. Slope point form of a straight line. Y minus y1, point A, y minus y1. Y1 value is -2. Minus of minus means +2. Equal to slope of AD -1 of x minus x1 value. X1 value is 5. Now simplify this one. Y plus 2 equal to -x minus of minus plus 5. Take these terms left side. X plus y This one take left side minus 5, that is called minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation 1. This is the equation of altitude AD. Next find out the equation of altitude BE. Same procedure. Okay. In second, to find the equation of second altitude BE. Find the equation of the second altitude, that is BE. How to find out BE equation? Already we know vertex B. If you know the slope of BE, we can find out the BE equation. But BE is perpendicular to AC. From diagram, BE is perpendicular to AC. After finding the slope of AC, we can find out the slope of BE. So first of all, find the slope of AC is m1 equal same formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AC, that is equal to m1 is equal to, what is the y2 minus a and c, y2 minus y1, 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 5, that is equal to 6 by minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. After finding the slope of AC, we get the slope of BE. How to get slope of BE? You know that. Yet BE is perpendicular to AC. That implies product of slopes equal to minus 1. So BE, slope of BE is equal to how much? Slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by slope of AC. What is the slope of AC value? Slope of AC value is equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 by minus 3 by 2. That is equal to plus 2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3. Okay. Now equation of BE. Equation of BE is nothing but same formula. Equation of AD. Slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. This is the formula, straight line formula. Equation of the straight line in slope point form. What is the point here? BE. On BE line, we know the vertex B. We don't know E value. We know only B value. So apply, use B vertex and slope of BE. This is the M value. This is the B is the point x1 by 1. Okay. Apply formula. Y minus y1. Y1 value how much here? 2 equal to M value 2 by 3 of x minus x1. X1 value how much? Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Now simplify here. 3 into y. 3y minus 3 into 2. 6 is equal to 2 into x. 2x plus 2 into 1. 2. Now this term send right side. 2x minus 3y minus 6 take right side. Minus 6 takes right side means plus 6 plus 2 plus 8 equal to 0. So this is the equation, second equation means equation of BE. This is the equation of AD. This is the equation of BE. This is the first altitude. This one is the second altitude. Solving equation 1 and 2. We get the Ortho Center. Solve equation 1 and 2. We get the Ortho Center by using same ICXY method or CMM method. X, Y, 1. Starting with Y coefficient, ending with Y coefficient. Here Y coefficient how much? 1. Constant, X coefficient and Y coefficient. 1 minus 3, X coefficient, again Y coefficient. 1 minus 3, 1, 1. In second equation, starting with x coefficient and ending with, starting with y coefficient, ending with y coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, again y coefficient. That implies x by, how much here? AD minus BC, 8 minus 9. That is equal to y by AD minus BC. minus 6 minus 8. Here 1 by same AD minus BC minus 3 minus 2. From this x by minus 1, y by minus 14 and 1 by minus 5. Now equate the first and last term and the second and last term. We get the x value and y value. That implies x is equal to minus 1 by minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. Y is equal to minus 14 by minus 5, that is equal to 14 by 5. Therefore, orthocenter x comma y is equal to 1 by 5 comma 14 by 5. This is the orthocenter of given triangle by using second method. First of all, find the equation of AD. After that, find the equation of BE. After getting two equations, solve the two equations. We get the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Okay. Now, third problem on orthocenter by using third method. Okay. Given problem is find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 5 by using third method. Remember, okay. Let A minus 2 comma minus 1, B 6 comma minus 1 and C 2 comma 5 are the three vertices of the triangle. Let O x comma y be the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Let this is the, for example, this is ABC is a triangle ABC. Draw one perpendicular line from A to BC. This is the altitude. Draw one perpendicular line from B to AC. This is the second altitude BE. This is the AD. The point of intersection of any two altitudes is orthocenter. So by using third method, we are going to find the orthocenter problem. Okay. From the diagram, first case. From the diagram, here O x comma y be the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Orthocenter means orthocenter always lies on the altitudes. So from the diagram AD comma BE are two altitudes. AD and BE are two altitudes of triangle ABC. From the diagram, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC means AO also perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. That implies AO also perpendicular to BC. AO also perpendicular to BC. If two line segments or two straight lines are perpendicular, what is the condition? Product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Means slope of AO into slope of BC is equal to minus 1 కావాలి. Slope of AO into slope of BC is equal to how much? Minus 1. Why? Because these two line segments are perpendicular. Product of their slopes should be equal to minus 1. What is the slope of AO? A is the minus 2 comma minus 1. O is the x comma y. If you know 2 points on a straight line, how to find out slope of straight line? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So apply same formula. A is the first point, O is the second point. Y2 minus y1, y minus of minus 1 plus 1 by x minus of minus 1 plus 2. slope of AO, this one, okay, into slope of BC, B and C, same formula, y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 1, okay. Now simplify this one, y plus 1 into 6 by x plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiplication. Or you can simplification, no problem. Simplify this one. 6y plus 6 is equal to minus into minus plus 4x plus 8. Here minus into minus plus 4 into x 4x, 4 into 2 8. Now this term send right side. 4x minus 6y, 8 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. From this take 2 common. 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Okay. We applied here which condition? AO is perpendicular to BC. AO line segment is perpendicular to BC. By using this condition, we get one equation in terms of x and y. Now apply second condition. From diagram, what is the second condition here? BE is perpendicular to AC. Why? Because BE is the second altitude. If BE is perpendicular to AC, that implies BO also perpendicular to AC. BO line segment also perpendicular to AC. Therefore, slope of BO into slope of AC is equal to how much? Minus 1. What is the slope of BO? B is 6 comma minus 1, O is x comma y. So BO, slope of BO, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, y minus of minus plus 1 by x2 minus x1, that is x minus 6. This is the slope of BO. And slope of AC, A and C, y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, equal to how much? Minus 1. Now simplify this one. 6 into y, 6y plus 6 into 1, 6 by 4 into x, 4x minus 4 into 6, 24 is equal to how much? Minus 1. From this, 6y plus 6 is equal to minus 4x minus of minus plus 24. That implies send left side, all right hand to send left side. 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Now take 2 common. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation 2. This is the equation in terms of x and y. This is also equation in terms of x and y. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get the x comma y value. X comma y is nothing but orthocenter of given triangle. Now solve equation 1 and 2 by using YCXY method or CM. Solve equation 1 and 2. That implies x, y, 1. Solve equation 1 and 2. Y coefficient minus 3 and a constant term, and x coefficient again y coefficient minus 3. And here also. Otherwise, okay. Next, see in the second equation, y coefficient, constant term, and x coefficient again constant term. Now simplify this one. X by 27 minus 3 equal to y by 1 into 2, 2 minus of minus plus 18 equal to 1 by 6 minus of minus plus 6. That implies x by 24 equal to y by 20 is equal to 1 by 12. Now equating the first term, last term and second and last term, third term. That is called x is equal to 24 by 12 to y is equal to 20 by 12. That is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, OrthoCenter x comma y is equal to how much? 2 comma 5 by 3. This is the OrthoCenter of triangle ABC by using third method. Slope concept application. If two lines are perpendicular, their product of their slopes is equal to -1 cos. So this is the third method for finding the OrthoCenter. Okay. Today my maths challenge is, we know that Circumcenter is the center of circumcircle. Incenter is the center of incircle. Excenters are the centers of excircles. Then OrthoCenter is center of which circle? Centroid is center of which circle? This is my maths challenge. Please comment your answers in comment box. My dear students, please follow the video thoroughly and complete this homework. Please compulsory complete this homework. Okay.